Alaska Aces versus Phoenix Fuel Masters. All set to start. For two. Misses. Rebound. Dipsy-do. No rebound. He shoots. No rebound. Wide open for three. Misses. Rebound. Layup. Gets it in. He launched it. No rebound. Basic the basic. No controlling the rebound. I can feel it. Gets the basket. Misses. Rebound. From the deep range. Rebound. Basic the basic. Yes. Getting ready to launch. Dunkaroo. Good. Layup. Good shot. Like a rocket ship, punches it through. Dipsy-do, chill the chill. He shoots. No rebound. Siree. I can feel it. Swak. Dipsy-do, as cool as the other side of the pillow. Basic the basic, 2 points. Quick pass. Oh, critical hit. Pass. Here we go. That was crazy. From the Rainbow Country. No good. Rebound. Layup. What a block. And this is the end of the quarter. We are now in the second quarter. He shoots. No controlling the board. He launched it. Misses. Rebound. For two. Cool. He launched it. Bingo. As cool as the other side of the pillow. Wide open for three. No rebound. Siree. One-way ticket. That was crazy. Dipsy-do. No good. Rebound. Layup. No rebound. Siree. Basic the basic. Good shot. Fasten the seatbelt. Showtime, baby. I can feel it. Gets it in. Taking off. Bonsai. Just the way I like it. Layup. Good one. I can feel it. Yes, siree. Yes. Dipsy-do gets the 2 points. Pass. Por Madarasca. goes the dynamite. For two. Misses. Rebound. Uno, dos, total distraction. He shoots. No rebound. Basic the basic. Awesome. Fred to the middle. Misses. Rebound. Alaska Aces wins.